Welcome back to the Six Figure Mastermind. Marianne Hickman here. We're talking Facebook Live. What is it and why is it important for your business? Stay tuned. Okay, you're here, it's you and me, and we're going to discuss, first and foremost, what is Facebook Live? You've probably heard of it. Now we're going to discuss what it is. Okay, Facebook Live, it's very simple. You've seen live news feeds, you've seen live on the, Fox News channel or whatever you think. Live is a version of video that's happening and being shown in real time. So if I'm sitting here on my phone and I'm talking to you, there's really not more than a second or two lag between the words coming out of my mouth and the words going into your ear. So Facebook Live is one platform that Facebook has brought to us. Now any of us can be live news broadcasters at any given moment. And the video not only is shown live, but you can watch it on replays later on. Depending on the broadcast settings and depending on the settings of the user. People can take down Facebook Lives if they want to. But generally the idea is that you can watch it again later. The first thing you need to know about Facebook Live is that it is live. So anything that you say on camera or anything that you put in that screen is going to be seen instantaneously. No takebacks. It's live. Frankly, that's intimidating for a lot of people. It's intimidating for a lot of business owners. What if I mess up? What if I say the wrong thing? There's no clipping and editing. Nothing like that goes on during a Facebook Live or afterward, okay? So that's going to be one thing you just get over. You get to be personable. You get to make mistakes. You get to mess up your words a little bit because guess what? We are all human beings and that's okay. All right. Facebook Live can do a couple different things for you. You can do the standard Facebook Live broadcast where people can comment on your video as you're going through. People can hit the like or the love or the wow or any of the other buttons on Facebook as your live video is happening. And the cool thing about that is that Facebook does us a huge favor and tells us who's on, tells us who's watching, tells us who's interacting, and you can do shout outs to them through your live video feed. Another feature that Facebook has just brought on is the Facebook Dual Live. Now what happens when a Facebook Dual Live starts is maybe you or one of your comrades or your friends or your buddies is starting a Facebook Live. If it's you and your buddy is on, you can actually invite that person to be part of your Facebook Live broadcast, which means if you click invite, that person's going to get a notification that says, your friend is inviting you to be on camera with you. Now, I do this all the time when I'm teaching my courses. I'll put my students on camera with me. I'll interview people on camera. And what your audience is seeing is two camera angles at the same time, side by side. So you're going to be in one, and your colleague is going to be in the other, and they're going to watch both. And you can interview each other just like you would see on the news. The faces are talking to each other, everyone can hear, everyone can see the broadcast coming together in the same way. It's actually a very cool way if you're in business for yourself to interview your clients, to gather testimonials, and to interview colleagues and even competitors. That's okay too. Facebook Live Duo is a great way to do that. Now there's a couple more things you need to know about Facebook Live. We've talked a little bit about interactions. Facebook is continually updating their interface where you can wave at people as they leave comments. You can wave at people as they're passing through, capture their attentions. You can do shout outs to them verbally. Hey, you can see Betsy, you're on. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Highly recommended that you do that. The other thing that Facebook Live can do for you is you can get live subscriptions. So if you're on Facebook a lot and you're doing Facebook Live frequently, always do a subscribe shout out, meaning ask your viewers to subscribe like we do right here on YouTube. You can subscribe to Facebook Live videos, and that way all of your audience, if they hit subscribe, they're going to get a little notification in that little red bubble that says, hey, so-and-so is live right now, hop on. Same thing with Instagram. Instagram does the same thing, and incidentally, Instagram is owned by Facebook, so that's kind of cool. So Instagram will do the same thing for you. You can get live notifications. So if you have any people that you love to follow on Facebook, hit the subscribe button on their Facebook Live feed so you can get notified of when they go live. And you can do it with pages, you can do it in groups, you can do it wherever you want. And that's one other thing to consider when you're doing a Facebook Live video. If you're just doing a Facebook Live on your personal page, it's pretty simple, pretty cut and dry. You can do it from your computer, you can do it from your phone. If you're in business, you may want to consider where you're doing your Facebook Live. Do you want to broadcast on your business page? Do you want to broadcast in a group? Do you want to broadcast on your personal page? All of those places have different audiences and different levels of interaction because of that. So be aware of where you're putting your Facebook Live, both for marketing reasons and both for privacy reasons. If you're posting something personal on your Facebook Live that's on your business page, switch it out. Go back, delete it, change it, do whatever you need to do. And better yet, get it all nailed out and ironed out before you start your Facebook Live video. Facebook Live is great for everything. They're great for tutorials. They're great for news broadcasts. They're even great for just connecting with people and friends and saying, hey, I'm here. This is what I'm doing. This is where I'm going. This is my life. Hello, social media. Okay? So practice with Facebook Live. If you really feel like you fudged up, you can hit the delete button and restart and start over. But I encourage you to just go out there. In fact, I have a challenge for you. This week, I want you to do 5 Facebook Lives before the week is over without deleting them, without going back and changing anything, and without starting over. Get out there, get seen, build your business, and make those connections. Thanks for watching today's video. Go out there and make those Facebook Live videos. Get in the practice of it. Get familiar with it. Leave me a comment below of any more Facebook videos you want to see. I'll see you tomorrow.